What's up everyone, Jealousy here, back with another game. And for today's game, ang lalaroin natin ay isang horror game titled Customer Support, kung saan magtatrabaho tayo ng night shift sa isang shop. So let's see kung paano tong game na to. Answer the call. Hello? Manager, hey, there you are. I need you to do me a favor for tonight. You're gonna have to handle customer support just for tonight, okay? You are the most experienced in tech out of all of us, so it shouldn't be a problem, right? Yeah, no problem at all. I got it covered. Awesome to hear. I appreciate it. Make sure to do your normal tasks while you wait for the tech support calls. I'll call you in the morning. Sure. Mop the floors with the broom in the back room. Okay? Saan yung mop? Ito. Anong next objective natin? Answer the call. K-Tech support, how can I help you? I bought a mouse earlier today and it's not working at all. You plug it into the PS2 port or USB. I think it's a USB, but the cursor doesn't move, just dead. Tried another port or starting your computer. Yeah, still nothing. Do I bring it back or what? Yeah, bring the receipt and box. We'll swap it or give you store credit. Cool, do I need to call first or just show up? Just show up whenever you can. Alright, thanks man. No problem, take care. Okay, restock both shelves from the back room. Saan ko makikita yung ito? Pina ba yun? Okay, may call ulit. Hey, text customer support, how can I help you? Hey, I got a weird issue with my portable radio. What kind of issue? Static? Not turning on? It turns on but I can't get any station. Just fuzz. Could be the antenna. Try extending it fully and make sure you're not near anything metal. Alright, I'll try that. If it doesn't work, I'll call back. Sounds good. Fill up an empty trash bag with return products behind the counter. Empty trash bag. Behind the counter. Okay. Put the trash bag with the rest of the trash near the door. Okay. Lakas naman. Hi, do you have those floppy disk holders, the plastic ones? Yeah, we've got some on the back wall near the box keyboard. Cool, I'll drop by tomorrow, thanks. Sure thing. Answer the call. Hey, tech support, how can I help you? Hey, it's me again. That didn't work. Still all static. Alright. Could be the turner then. Try turning it all the way up and down slowly. Might be stuck off all track. Got it. I'll give that a shot. It's a bit of a dated model, so wouldn't surprise me. Appreciate it. No problem. Hangs up. These people and their ancient tech, I swear. Take out the collected trash. Saan na yung basura natin? Tapon muna natin to sa labas. Ito ba? Ay, sa kabila. Answer the call. Do you have mouse pads with wrist cushions? Yeah, black or blue. Mostly near the counter. Nice. I'll stop by in the morning. Alright, see you then. Clean the window squeeze with a squeeze. Okay? Saan yung squeeze natin? Hey, just wanted to say I got it working. Great, glad to hear it. You said something funny earlier about people and their ancient tech. Well, I proved you wrong. You what? You should be careful next time. Did you hear that? Right, have a good night. Narinig niya tayo? What the heck? Paano niya tayo narinig? Hey, do you still carry those beige IBM keyboard? Yeah, a few in storage. You'll have to ask this day stuff though. Cool, thanks. Sure thing. I'm coming to the store. Excuse me? You've been real helpful tonight. I think it's time we meet in person. Hey, who are you? I think you can figure that out on your own. This isn't funny. Oh, I'm not laughing. You should lock the doors. Hangs up. I'm calling 911. Dialing. What? Hello? Is this 911? You can do better than that. What? How? I'm on my way. I'm panicking. What am I supposed to do? Stay and hide. In the building. Saan ako magtatago? Paano niya nagawa yun? Nahack niya ba yung telephone? Oh my god, may tao. Saan na yan? Oh no, he actually came. And he saw me. I better go hide. Go hide in the back room. Shit. Hindi ko pa nalock yung... Saan ako magtatago dito? Open the door. This can go two ways. Open the door and it will be painless. Or I'll force my way in. You can't escape. Get away from me. Make your choice now. You have 15 seconds. What? 15 seconds? Wait. Saan ako magtatago? Wait lang. Dito. Ay, gago. Oh! Smart boy. Ah! I'm panicking. What am I supposed to do? This time, subukan natin yung run. Run away. Saan ako mag-run? Sa labas. Paano pag nakasalubong niya tayo? Ouch! Patay. Okay, let's see. This time, stay and hide, pero hindi natin bubuksan yung pinto sa back door, sa back room. Dito lang tayo magstay. Gusto ko makita kung paano. Diyan na siya. Tignan natin ano gagawin niya. Oh no, he actually came. And he saw me. I better go hide. Lumalabas. Tinakpan pa niya yung door. Open the door. This can go two ways. Open the door and it will be painless. I'll force myself. Wait. You can't escape. Get away from me. Make your choice now. You have 15 seconds. Wait. Try na natin dumaan dun sa front door. Hindi ko na mabuksan. Dumb move. It's a metal door. You can't break it down. Watch me. Okay? Ano siya? Oh shit! Shame. Opening the door would be a far less painful death. No, get away from me. Ay, gagi! Press E. Alright guys. Nakuha na natin lahat ng ending. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. If you enjoy this game, please leave a like and comment. Once again, this is Jealousy. Thank you for watching.